Ever step onto your balcony and instead of feeling relaxed, you feel disappointed? It's cluttered, it's forgotten, and somehow it became a storage space for things you don't even use anymore. But what if I told you that this tiny space could become your favorite room in your entire home? A place where you sip coffee in the morning, unwind at sunset, and feel surrounded by nature even in the middle of the city. In 2026, we're not ignoring small balconies anymore. We're transforming them. And today, I'm going to show you 10 powerful modern balcony ideas that will completely change how you see your space, no matter how small it is. Let's grow up, not out. Before we dive in, imagine this. Soft lights glowing, soft plants moving in the breeze, a cozy corner that feels like your own private escape. That's what we're creating today. And the best part? You don't need a big budget. You don't need a big balcony. You just need the right ideas. Let's start with one of the smartest trends of 2026. Floating railing gardens. If your balcony floor is tiny, stop using it. Use your railing. Floating railing planters are one of the biggest small space hacks right now. They clip or slot directly onto your balcony rail. No floor space needed. Imagine stepping outside and seeing rows of colorful flowers right at eye level. Think vibrant geraniums, soft petunias, or even trailing plants that cascade beautifully over the edge. Pro tip: mix colors for a mini garden wall effect. It instantly makes your balcony feel lush and alive. This is how you turn empty railings into a blooming masterpiece. 2. Biophilic vertical walls. Now let's go even further. What if your wall became a garden? Vertical gardening is exploding in 2026, and for good reason. It transforms boring walls into living art. You can use ready-made vertical garden kits, hanging pocket planters, or simple DIY trellises, perfect for climbing plants like clematis, ivy, or even herbs. This creates a biophilic design, which means bringing nature into your daily life. And here's the magic. It doesn't just look good, it makes you feel calmer, happier, and more connected to nature. 3. Bohochic textures. Now let's talk comfort, because a balcony shouldn't just look good, it should feel irresistible. The 2026 trend? Low-profile, boho-inspired lounging. Layer your space with outdoor rugs, floor cushions or poofs, woven mats. Suddenly, your balcony becomes a cozy nest. Even a 1-meter space can feel like a luxury lounge. Stick to warm tones, beige, terracotta, soft greens for that calming aesthetic. 4. The edible microarm. Now imagine this. You step outside and pick fresh herbs for your meal. That's the beauty of a microfarm balcony. In 2026, people are growing mint, rosemary, basil, and cherry tomatoes, all in small containers or fabric grow bags. You don't need a backyard, just sunlight and a little consistency. Beginner tip: start with herbs. They grow fast and boost confidence instantly. This isn't just decoration, it's a lifestyle upgrade. 5. Smart foldable bistro sets. Furniture can make or break a small balcony. That's why foldable furniture is a game changer. A small bistro table and chairs can fold flat, hang on the wall, or tuck into a corner. So when you're not using them, your space stays open and breathable. And when you are, instant cafe vibes. 6. Ambient multi-level lighting. Lighting is what transforms your balcony from nice to magical. In 2026, it's all about layering light. Combine soft string lights, solar lanterns, and wall-mounted lights. This creates depth, warmth, and mood. Picture this: a warm glow at night, plants casting soft shadows. It feels like a hidden rooftop retreat. 7. Zen bamboo screens. Privacy matters, especially in apartments. That's where bamboo screens come in. They block unwanted views, add natural texture, and create a peaceful Zen atmosphere. You can also use tall grasses or reed panels. Suddenly, your balcony feels like a private sanctuary. 8. Artificial grass overlay. Let's upgrade your floor. Cold tiles, boring concrete? Gone. Artificial grass tiles instantly transform your balcony into a mini backyard. Soft under your feet, fresh green color, zero maintenance. It's one of the fastest transformations you can make. 9. Floating bar ledges. No space for a table? No problem. Install a floating bar ledge. It attaches to the wall or railing and gives you just enough space for coffee, a book, or your evening drink. It's minimal but incredibly functional, perfect for ultra-small balconies. 10. Hidden storage benches. Last but powerful. Storage. Clutter is the enemy of small spaces. A storage bench gives you seating, hidden storage, and clean, organized space. Store tools, cushions, or gardening supplies inside, and enjoy a clutter-free balcony. So now the question is, which of these ideas are you trying first? Is it the floating garden, the cozy boho lounge, or your own edible microfarm? Remember, you don't need a big space to create something beautiful. You just need intention. So stop ignoring your balcony and start creating your personal escape in the sky. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more small space transformations. Now go grab some soil, start planting, and I'll see you in the next video.